you're having issues with Roblox cursor going off screen, well, I have the solution for you, so let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to go to the desktop and you have to right click and press display configuration or options. And once you're here, you have to scroll down. As you can see, I have two monitors. This will happen to you if you have two monitors, but also can happen if not. So you scroll down and you check that the screen size is on recommended, and you have to do the same for the second screen. If it's on another resolution, you will have issues with this. The other solution is that if you have downloaded Roblox from the website, from the original Roblox website, you will have to uninstall it and you have to install Roblox from the Microsoft Store, as I'm doing right now. So you find Roblox, you select the first option that will appear, that will be the original Roblox. I'm sorry, go back to do it. You press it and you install it from here. So this way you will have no problem with your cursor. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.